Welcome to Maths Guru. Today we are going to work on SURDS. SURDS are irrational numbers which are square roots of rational numbers. On our discussion on SURDS, we discuss similar SURDS, conjugate SURDS, and how to rationalize the denominator of a SURD. Today we have two questions on SURDS to resolve. The first one, we are to simplify this. If we are to simplify this, all we need to do is to multiply the expression we have here, the numerator by the denominator here, and the denominator by itself again, since it's in square roots. This way, 2 root 3 over root 5 multiplied by root 5 over root 5. So everything, we multiply the numerator by root 5 and we multiply the denominator by root 5. So 2 root 3 times root 5, we're going to have 2 root 15. And negative 4 times root 5 is going to be minus 4 root 5. Then we are going to have root 5 times root 5 is going to give us 5. By so doing, we have resolved the expression we have there. Then, question number 2 says we should express this in this form. All we are going to do is to rationalize the denominator. How do we do that? We multiply the numerator by the conjugate of this denominator and the denominator as well. So we have 2 root 5 plus 5 root 2 over 2 root 5 minus 5 root 2. Everything should be multiplied by the conjugate of what we have here, 2 root 5 plus 5 root 2. The conjugate of 2 root 5 minus 5 root 2 is 2 root 5 plus 5 root 2. The same thing here, 2 root 5 plus 5 root 2. By so doing, we're going to have rational numbers as the denominator of our expression later on. Let's go on. 2 root 5 times 2 root 5 is going to give us 4 root 25. 2 root 5 times 5 root 2 is going to give us 10 root 10 plus 5 root 2 times 2 root 5 is going to give us 10 root 10 and plus 5 root 2 times 5 root 2 is going to give us 25 root 4 over 2 root 5 times 2 root 5 is going to give us 4 root 25. Then 2 root 5 times 5 root 2 is going to give us 10 root 10. Then negative 5 root 2 times 2 root 5 is going to give us negative 10 root 10. Negative 5 root 2 times 5 root 2 is going to give us negative 25 root 4. We continue. 4 root 25 is the same thing as 4 times 5. Root 25 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. Plus 10 root 10 plus 10 root 10 is 20 root 10. Then plus 25 root 4 is the same thing as root 4 is 2 times 25 is 50. Right? Over 4 root 25, 25 root 25 is 5. And 5 times 4 is 20. 10 root 10 minus 10 root 10 is going to be up. Then minus 25 root 4. Root 4 is 2 times 25 is going to be minus 50. Right? We go on. 20 plus 50 is equal to 70 plus 20 root 10 over 20 minus 50 is going to give us negative 30. Negative 30. So, the expression is the same thing as 70 over negative 30 plus 20 root 10 over negative 30. Correct? So, 0 here, we go with this. We are going to be left with negative 7 over 3. Then, positive divided by negative, we are going to have negative. 0 here can go with this. 2 over 3 root 10. Already we have the expression in this form. Q plus R root S.